Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Type chkdsk /f/r and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type then hit enter. Then type cd space // and hit enter. Type in cd space Windows and press enter.
Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now type copy **backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space **space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space regback and simply hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space **space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command.
Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute.
Type cd space // and hit enter.
Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now execute this command. Type bcd edit space /export space /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Then move to the next one.
Now type cd space // and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter.
Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space // and hit enter.
Now type attrib /boot /bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Now type run space /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then hit enter. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.